Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 60-second messy bun on medium length hair. To start, leave a little hair out to frame the face on both sides and pop the hair into a low ponytail. Then make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through that hole. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then we're going to put those fingers back through that same hole again, grab the ponytail and pull it through one more time. If your hair's longer, you can keep wrapping it until you run out of hair. Now grab each side of that loop we've just made and pull them in opposite directions to spread it out, and secure all along the top and side with as many bobby pins as needed. Then pinch and pull the hair at the crown for a little bit of volume. Then pinch and pull little pieces of the bun for some more messy texture. With the tail ends, just wrap them around an open bobby pin and tuck them underneath the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.